Nongialam Liang Pyrshah kayang dorbar Thawan Khuborjylla Dr. Mukul Sangma labu Jingkylli Halor ka Jingtrekam jong ka Shillong Government Medical College pat kham tam habaya day bat kinong tre haba jubab Halor kani Menteri Ketenaga Kerjaan aba wailat miki Shilla ulaya thu bakidan shispa nyu phukhandai teli ki kam ki balamang na kabanta ka Shillong Medical College bakan thop nadu Director ka Medical College Dean Medical Superintendent bat ki wei Ulaya thuru bakidan san pongut ki Samla puli ki bala sedang ya ka Jingkylli doktor hakasnam trekam ka bandingkong jeng usnam hajar arkusan hadu hajar arkumri.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. Reply to star question number 5. 1, sir. The infrastructure required for a medical college is defined under NMC MSR 2023. The details is as per statement placed on the table of the House. 2, sir. There are 179 sanctioned posts for Shillong Medical College as below. Number 1, Director Medical College, number of posts 1. Number 2, Dean of Medical College, number of posts 1. 3, Medical Supers 1. 3, Medical Superintendent, number of posts 1. Number 4, Chief Administrative Officer, number of posts 1. Number 5, Professor, number of posts 17. 6, Associate Professor, number of posts 27. 7, Senior Resident, number of posts 40. Number 8, Junior Resident, number of posts 22. Serial number 9, Tutor Demonstrator, number of posts 25. Serial number 10, Clinical Psychologist, number of posts 1. Serial number 11, Statistician, number of posts 1. Serial number 12, Assistant Professor, number of posts 41. Serial number 13, Chief Account Officer cum Financial Advisor for Medical College, number of posts 1. 3, sir, 50 students were admitted during the first academic year 2025-26, sir.